Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing Transformers Generation Decepticon Shockwave Walgreens exclusive. So we last left off on step 5, so moving on to step 6. They don't say put his arms out like that, but they do say kind of like make them like this, so I guess that works. So kind of make him do kind of like the reverse Superman type of deal. So yeah, he's like, woo, I'm falling back with Superman! Or maybe he's trying to fly forward, I don't know. So just kind of give him that whole Superman deal. That's up to say, take the head and rotate the head like this, so it's lifting at the back. Take the chest piece, push it upwards. So this whole chest piece, put it upwards like that. And then, so now he kind of looks like this. Then they're saying take the headpiece and push it down like this, so the whole little headpiece kind of goes down until it feels like it should lock in place, but it actually doesn't. Because you see that there's little clips here, but they don't lock in when they're like this. So, okay. And this feels like this should actually lock in the little chest piece. So the chest piece and the head piece feel like they should lock in, but they don't. And then they're saying just take the hand, fold that inwards, and take the other hand and fold that inwards. And that is pretty much the full-on 10-step transformation. Don't know why this one's not locked in place. As you can see, this one locks in place. This one doesn't really want to lock in place. Like, feels like there's just something not going on. So yeah, this one definitely does not want to lock in there. Don't know why, but it does. I mean, this one does. Lots in there. And there he is in his full-on ship gun mode, or gunship mode, whatever you want to call it. Now, I will admit there is some things on here that is not the best. I mean, definitely his little legs here. There is a bit of split in there, as you can tell. The chest piece does not lock in. The head piece does not lock in. His right arm does not lock in. And they kind of look a little bit goofy out here. Kind of looks like they almost need to fold and bend inward. You know, like if I take that stuff. Definitely they look, I mean they could bend outward like that, but it looks like they should have a reverse bend to go inward. But they don't. They just don't. And this definitely looks like a unpainted version of his eye. Like, as you can see, there's his little eye, the black with the yellow, and then below here, yeah, that's just like his head with his little antennas push inward, flip around, push down, push inward. His eye black colored for the iris just like, you know, went out, and you know, the actual eye, little light bulb is like dead, like, hey, someone needs to change this light bulb. Wait, this is just his head, so he has two heads, just one's unpainted without the little antennas. That's really what it is. Now, can we get it to go into gun mode? No, I thought that these little wings would actually bend down like right down here, which is what they need to. Like they bend right here, like right where this little back piece is, if they bend like right in there, like right where they kind of fold up on, then you could kind of have the whole Shockwave sits gun mode going on. Now can it, let me put these the right way. Now can the land gear actually land The landing gear doesn't really do much for it, because mostly it's on its wings. The arms back here are supposed to be thrusters. They look kind of stupid. I mean, on the bots, they look awesome on the bots. But actually, in person, no. And one thing that they don't tell you is that you actually have to have the landing gear out before you close the legs. Okay? Because unlike with Transformers, you know, the Titans Return lineup, what's that one that I have? Let me go get him real fast. Aha! This little feller. I forgot this Decepticon's name. I want to say Brainstorm, but I know it's not Brainstorm. Brainstorm. Yeah, I can't say Brainstorm at this moment. It sounds like Brainstone. Yeah. Tongue twister. My tongue is getting a little caught in my mouth. It's like, no, the word is Brainstorm. Yet, when it comes out enough, it's coming out Brainstorm. Brainstone. No, that's no. There's no Transformer named Brainstone. Maybe in Japan, I don't know. But in the industry, Brainstone. No, there's Brainstorm. Yeah, definitely this is not Brainstorm. This is, I don't know, some other one. But what I was going to talk about is, like, you know, how its landing gear actually folds up, that you can. It's in landing mode. It's in flight mode. This one, nope. So let's close his weird little legs together. And as you can see, landing gear is completely closed and it does nothing. The landing gear does nothing. It doesn't even hold it up. Because it's balancing right here on these two little blades and the flatness of its wings. Let's see if I can try popping it up, so we could kind of get a bit of a show here. As you can see, right there, balancing on those two little blades and its wings. So the whole, hey, it has this, you got to flip it out before you fold its legs. Landing gear doesn't really do much of anything. I mean, yeah, it does raise it up a little bit, but pretty much it's useless. And the only way that you know the landing gear is there is if you have it sitting up on a box or something and you're looking at it through the side like this, that you could be like, oh, there's landing gear. If not, if you're looking at it forward or on the top, or even on the side like how we're seeing right now, or the back, or, you know, anywhere, you're like, oh, no landing gear, no problem. And really, it has no problem without any landing gear. Except for, you know, what I obviously point out, like, the split in the leg, the chest feels like it's loose, which it is loose. I'm probably going to use the old, you know, YouTube Transformer hat of tightening that part up with, you know, just a little bit of pledge for polish, you know, because it feels like it kind of needs it a little bit. I mean, it doesn't really need it that much, but it's something that it could do it. Unlike Transformers Headmaster's Quad and the repaint Quad with, no wait, I'm thinking of Skull Crusher. Skull Crusher was the original, and then Quad was the repaint Skull Crusher. That one definitely needs some pledge for polish on it, on its leg parts. This one, a little bit for its chest. I really wouldn't bother putting it in the head, but definitely the chest, yes. The legs, they need to make the legs better. And this arm right here definitely needs to be better. Because that is just freaking horrible what they did to the arm and the legs and stuff. But yeah, that has been the unboxing part 2 of Transformers Generations, Decepticon Shockwave, 10-step HASBRO train, HASBRO, you know, Transformer, you know, changer type of thing. Walgreens exclusive. $15 at Walgreens, which is it worth it for $15? No, like I said, maybe the $10 to $12 price ones, 15, no. It'd probably be worth it to buy any other Shockwave, like a Tomy one, or a MP one. Did they make an MP Shockwave? I think they would, because they made a lot of the, Masterpiece, MP for short, of Transformers. I know they made an MP Acid Storm, which I kind of wanted when Toys R Us was bad in business years ago. But, yeah, Shockwave, I don't know if they do. If they do, and if you have one, let me know in the comment section, because I think that one would definitely be a great one to have. But, I mean, for my first Shockwave figure ever, yeah, I'm kind of happy. Yeah, it does have its faults, Price point, only at Walgreens, the little split there, the arm not locked into place, the chest that doesn't lie in place, the whole head that's kind of not in place, the landing gear, the stupid arms just do the reverse Superman type of thing to then become like jet thrusters. It's not the best one, but hey, at least I can say I do own a Shockwave finally in my Transformer collection. Oh yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and leave a like and a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.